Everyone tells you to optimize your listing to survive the crash. They're wrong. The real money isn't in daily guests anymore. It's in the midterm pivot. While most hosts are fighting City Hall and praying for a weekend booking, the smartest investors in the game have already shifted. We've analyzed the portfolios of top-tier hosts who have scaled past the 10,000 a month mark without the 2 a.m. toilet is clogged phone calls. They aren't guessing. They're following the data. In this video, we're breaking down why the Airbnb gold rush is over and why midterm rentals, or MTRs, are the new goldmine for 2025. I'll show you how to secure corporate tenants, avoid the regulatory nightmare of short-term stays, and keep those high yields without the constant turnover. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to pivot your strategy and build a truly passive income stream that doesn't vanish when a city council passes a new law. Let's be honest, the Airbnb gold rush is over. A few years ago, you could throw a mattress in a spare room, add a few plants, and make 3 times a long-term rental. But it's 2025. The game has changed. Now you're fighting a war on 3 fronts. First, the regulations. Cities are waking up. New laws are banning short-term rentals overnight. One email from the city council and your cash flow vanishes. Then there's the saturation. Every house on your block is now an Airbnb. To get bookings, you're forced to slash your prices. It's a race to the bottom. And the burnout, it's real. The constant texting. The 2 a.m. how do I work the thermostat calls. The endless cycle of cleaning and laundry. You started this for passive income, right? But right now, it feels like you've just bought yourself a high-stress, low-margin hospitality job. You're stuck between 2 bad options. Go long-term and watch your margins shrink to nothing, or stay short-term and pray the city doesn't shut you down. It feels like the window is closing. And if you don't pivot now, you're just waiting for the crash. So if Airbnb is becoming a regulatory nightmare, what's the alternative? Most people think it's a binary choice. Either you deal with the chaos of short-term rentals, or you settle for the boring, low yields of a long-term lease. But there is a third option. The Goldilocks zone. Mid-term rentals. An MTR is typically a stay between 30 days and 6 months. Why is this the new goldmine? 2 words: regulatory arbitrage. In most cities, the hotel laws kick in for stays under 30 days. Once you hit that 31-day mark, you aren't a hotel anymore. You're a residential landlord. You bypass the permits, the heavy taxes, and the city fines while still charging a premium. Let's talk numbers, because that's why we're here. Long-term rentals are safe, but the margins are thin. Short-term rentals can make 3x more, but the vacancy risk and turnover costs are brutal. MTRs sit right in the sweet spot. You typically capture 60% to 80% of that Airbnb revenue, but with only 2 or 3 turnovers a year instead of 50. Less cleaning, less guest communication, significantly more sleep. But who is actually paying these rates? Not tourists. We're targeting the high-quality transient. Traveling nurses, corporate executives on relocation, and digital nomads. These guests have stable, high incomes. They aren't throwing parties on a Tuesday night. They want a quiet place to sleep and a reliable place to work. To make this pivot, you don't need a full remodel. You just need to change your product. Stop designing for the Instagram crowd and start designing for the professional crowd. The most important investment isn't a fancy welcome basket, it's a dedicated workspace. A fast internet connection and a comfortable chair are the primary drivers for MTR bookings. Now, you don't even need Airbnb to find these people. Platforms like Furnished Finder or corporate housing agencies connect you directly with these professionals. You're essentially running a boutique corporate housing business without the corporate overhead. The shift is simple: stop chasing the weekend warrior and start courting the professional. Now, you can't run a corporate housing business on a spreadsheet. To actually make this passive, I use Hospitable. It automates the guest communication and scheduling, so you aren't glued to your phone. But remember, MTRs require different protection. Standard homeowners insurance won't cut it. I've linked my preferred MTR insurance providers and the exact furnishing packages I use to hit those premium nightly rates in the description below. The result? You stop chasing weekend warriors and start attracting high-paid professionals. You get the yields of an Airbnb with the stability of a long-term lease. No more regulatory panic, just consistent cash flow. If this pivot is the missing piece of your 2025 strategy, hit the like button. Subscribe to keep your portfolio ahead of the curve. All the tools are in the description. Go grab them and I'll see you in the next video.